dancing to your beat.
Hey guys, it's Phae and this is Day with Phae. In this video I'm going to be doing another TTDeye haul. Make sure to use my code Phae for some money off. Now I did receive these contacts complimentary, but as always my reviews and hauls are 100% honest, and timestamps are going to be in the description below if you're looking for a specific piece of information. It's there. So I've actually talked about how to put on these TTDeye contacts before in a previous video, which is linked in the bio below if you're curious about how to put contacts in. I got you guys. So I got Crystal Ball Caramel Brown because yes, I have brown eyes, but I have extremely dark brown eyes. So I thought it'd be cool to see how it would look like with kind of more like a lightish brown. So I'm excited to see that. I also got Polar Lights Blue, Real Crystal, and Ocean Blue. So first up, we got Crystal Ball Caramel Brown. I feel like this eye color looks pretty natural. It looks close to what my eyes are now, but just a little bit brighter and more vibrant. I just feel like it's a little bit more oomph than my normal brown eyes, which is cool. I love how they look. I think that if I were to wear these, people wouldn't think that my eyes were a different color necessarily, unless you look into my eyes frequently. But I definitely give them a 5 out of 5. Remember, when you first get them, you're supposed to put them in your own solution for about a day. And you don't want to wear these for a prolonged amount of times. I believe it's 8 hours if I'm wrong. So just keep that in mind for sure. But yeah, I think it's really cute. So next up, we're gonna do Polar Lights Blue. Let's go put her on. You guys, I'm absolutely obsessed with this color so much. It's so freaking beautiful. I feel like, especially with this dress that has some blue in it, it's like it really just ties in the whole look together. Ever since I was little, I always wanted to be born with blue eyes. They were my favorite eyes. I also love green a lot. I think you just want what you don't have pretty much. But it's awesome that I could just put on contacts and be like, you know what? I am a blue-eyed girl today. You know, it's 2020. You can do that. I definitely give this contact a 10 out of 5. Honestly, my favorite. I'm pretty sure that this is my favorite TTDeye contact so far. So we're gonna try the next one, which is Ocean Blue. I'm not so different, fit in your system so high. Do you tell me I'm wrong when I say the same things that you say? And you double the standards because you only like your way. So keep running your mouth, cause I'm tired of walking away. I want you to take. Okay, so these eyes are also really cute. Honestly though, if I had to pick between this blue and the other blue, I'd pick the other blue just because it's a little bit more vibrant and lighter and it has a lot more contrast. Obviously, having brown eyes, I kind of want that contrast. But I think if you're looking for something that is a dark, deep blue, this is the color for you, absolutely. All right, so last up, I'm doing one that's kind of crazy and it's Real Crystal, so it makes my whole eye gray, I think. Let's go put her on. Okay, so I totally thought this was gonna make my whole eye gray. I don't know why I thought that. I don't think when I bought it, it didn't offer that or whatever. I just completely had poor memory. Anyways, these look so pretty and cute, very different. Obviously, I don't think people have naturally gray eyes like this. I might be wrong, but I don't think so. but these are absolutely striking and stunning and everything in between. I give these eyes a 5 out of 5. I hope you guys found this video really informational, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I always genuinely appreciate it. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe. All you have to do is click my face right here, and you can watch my other TTDeye video right here. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day.